Good afternoon, dignitaries, CIOs, CXOs, CTOs, and my dear ICT community friends. I am Sachin Gusia, Managing Director, Gujarat Informatics Limited, and Director of ICT and E-Governance for Government of Gujarat. I am sure all of you are having great time at this Digital Management Conclave 2020, which has been organized by GISIA. Digital Management Conclave 2020 is the second edition which has been organized by GISIA, and the whole idea of having this digital management conclave is to converge the ICT community of Gujarat at regional levels such as Vadodara, Rajkot, Surat. So first edition was organized in Vadodara, and had it not been this pandemic of COVID, it would have been organized in either Rajkot or Surat. So the whole idea of startup is to encourage entrepreneurship, and the idea to support startup is keeping in mind the fact that startups can be developed by young entrepreneurs with minimum capital requirement, with minimum infrastructure requirement. But for these startups to grow, they require a very good platform, and Gujarat, being industrially very advanced state, I am sure is having such industries which can provide those platforms to these startups. By onboarding these startups, the business houses will be at a much more advantageous position, as well as these startups will be much more enriched with the experience they get by providing their services to these established industrial houses. So with these thoughts, I would like to give a glimpse of what are the incentives the government of Gujarat is offering to these startups in Gujarat. First of all, there are many facilities for the incubators which are coming up in the state of Gujarat. We are offering them capital assistance, mentoring assistance. We are also offering them software cost. We are offering them exemption from stamp duty and registration fee, power tariff subsidy, etc. Similarly, for the startups which are coming up, so the state of Gujarat is offering incentives not only to the incubators but also the startups, such as 100% reimbursement of stamp duty and registration fee, lease rental subsidy, interest subsidy on the bank loans, patent assistance, bandwidth subsidy, skill certification grant, marketing and product development assistance, and capital assistance through Gujarat Venture Finance Limited. So after coming to GIL, I have analyzed the startup policy of Government of Gujarat, and I have come to know that the startup policy of Gujarat is among one of the best available in any other part of the country. We are also open to modify this startup policy. We are taking feedback from the startups, GISIA and other industrial association to make this startup policy better. On behalf of Government of Gujarat, I give you an assurance that we will leave no stone unturned to provide full assistance to the startups coming up in the state of Gujarat. Apart from it, whatever the assistance we are giving, the Gujarat also has a very well developed field wherein the incubators are already doing very well here. We have a NASSCOM supported Center of Excellence at IIT Gandhinagar. We have DevX Accelerator, iCreate is there, co-working facilities are there, SPark is there, Ashray Incubator is there, Venture Studio is there. So there are n number of incubators which are already established. These incubators provide the necessary infrastructure for these startups, as well as mentoring assistance, as well as they provide the necessary linkage with the industry, so that these startups can develop into a full-fledged IT industry. With these thoughts, I want to express my gratitude to Gesia for organizing such an innovative conclave wherein the non-IT business establishments are made aware of the requirements of the new age, the development of IT and IT enabled services which are taking place, and how the startups can provide them a cutting edge over other industries. With these thoughts, I sincerely thank all the participants for attending this Digital Media Conclave 2020. I also thank all the speakers who have already spoken before me and who will be speaking later in the later half of the day to the CIOs about the initiatives that the Gesia is taking and the startups which are offering their services to the industry. I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to the team Gesia and their office bearers for coming up with this amazing event. I am sure that it has provided one more opportunity for the entire ICT community to come together and have interaction during these times of business disruption. With these thoughts, I pray for your safety and health. Thank you so much.